हेलो यूट्यूब, हेलो लवली पीपल, वेलकम बैक टू दी चैनल। दिस इज राज और आज मैं और एक नए वीडियो के साथ आप लोगों के सामने आया हूँ। तो in today's video I would like to discuss about two things. One, riding the Impulse, where we have ridden it for I have ridden it for 250 kilometers because we have taken it for a short trial, which is Dabagoli. आपने अगर हमारा पिछला वीडियो देखा होगा तो then you would be knowing कि हम लोग अपने पूरे गैंग के साथ वहाँ पे गए थे. So I would be discussing about my experience of riding the Impulse, and secondly, renting it from the Royal Brothers. I was very curious to know how this bike will really perform, and I have actually rented this bike from Royal Brothers. ये बाइक मैंने मारातली से लिया है. So I have booked it 10 days ago. आपको in case आपको कोई भी बाइक रेंटेड लेनी है तो it's important that you book it in advance so that you will be able to get the bike. Otherwise the bikes will be sold out. Paid around 960 rupees excluding the GST. Overall bill आया था 1100 rupees something it came. What I would like to do is कि मैं जो clips बनाया था during our ride to Dabagoli, वो सारी क्लिप्स मैं आपको प्ले करके दिखाऊंगा. द इम्प्रेशंस व्हाट आई हैव व्हाइल राइडिंग द बाइक, बिकॉज वहाँ पे आपको एक्चुअल इम्प्रेशन मिल जाता है. तो दोज आर द पॉइंट्स आई वुड लाइक टू फर्स्ट सी, एंड देन वी विल कम बैक एंड आई विल समराइज माय एंटायर एक्सपीरियंस. सो टुडे फॉर अ चेंज मैंने एक्सपल्स रेंट पे लिया है. I have rented it from Royal Brothers. Destination है Dabagoli, which is like 115 या 120 kilometers from Bangalore. So yeah, to be honest, मतलब बहुत ही different feel हो रहा है. बाइक मतलब बहुत ही छोटा लग रहा है और it's lightweight. That's the first difference what you would notice. Yes, even your KTM Adventure is lightweight, but then again compared to that, this feels more small in size and light in weight. Power की तो कमी लगती ही है, there is no doubt about it. But suspension अभी तक मुझे मतलब बेहतरीन लगा है, no doubt, and that's what Xpulse is meant for. So 75 के ऊपर से you will start feeling the buzz on your foot pegs. Yeah, seriously. 80 पे हूँ and I can feel the buzzing at the foot pegs, and even the engine is kind of feeling a bit stressed up. तो जैसे कि आप देख रहे हो रोड पे इतना अनइवन पैच है, ऊपर नीचे ऊपर नीचे ऊपर नीचे हो रहा है, बट सही में यार कमाल का सस्पेंशन है. आपको फील नहीं होता है, आप एकदम मतलब ग्लाइड करके जा रहे हो. मजा आ रहा है, मजा आ रहा है. कहीं पे स्लो करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है आपको, एकदम एक्सीलरेटर देते जाओ और निकलते जाओ. This is the bike from Royal Brothers. तो क्लीन वगैरह कुछ तो है नहीं. गाड़ी देने से पहले उन्होंने मुझे सैनिटाइज करके दे दिया है इन माई प्रेजेंस. सो अभी तक तो मतलब गाड़ी चल रही है, ठीक है. बम्प्स अमेजिंग. So far the Xpulse has been good, no doubt about it. It is pulling a bit, just that it lacks that bit of power, but apart from that it's superb. I mean, it's really really great. So that was pretty much what my experience of riding the Impulse on that particular day. So I have ridden it for like 250 kilometers, and it was quite a good distance to cover, and it will also give you a good impressions about the bike, how it really feels. Before I get into the details about the bike, let me touch upon a few of the things which I have experienced with Royal Brothers. Firstly, I have booked the bike 10 days ago. Few of the things which I felt could have been better is the customer waiting could have been improved, because actually waiting there for 30-40 minutes, but then good thing is that Kiran from Royal Brothers, he was in constant touch with me, keeping me informed what's happening. That's actually a good part. Secondly, bike जो है, it could have been cleaned up and given to me. I think bike was not that well maintained because I was feeling that jarriness while riding the bike. उतना स्मूथ नहीं था. I think the service होना चाहिए बाइक का. ऊपर से बाइक वॉश नहीं हुआ है. It was sanitized. That's a good thing. It was sanitized in front of me and it was given to me. So that was a good part. All I was kind of bit satisfied because this is the first time I'm renting a bike in Bangalore. So experience has been quite okay, I should say. You rent any bike, couple of things to keep in mind. You have to collect your documents. So यहाँ पे क्या हुआ था कि मैंने किरण से बात किया था. So he has WhatsApped me all the document details and everything. So that keep that in mind always. Secondly, make sure you check each and every part of the bike so that it should not happen कि आप वापस आने के बाद they claim that something is damaged because of your fault or something. So you got to be very careful of that part because we had a bit of bad experience when we have rented out the bikes during our PT ride. So it's a bit of learning for us. So I'm just sharing this. So if in case you are also going for renting a bike, then just keep these things in mind. Before you take a bike, just take a short spin, check out the bike, how it feels, and if you have anything, just complain it to them. Now coming back to my experience of riding the Impulse over over that day was like I'm pretty happy with the kind of the bike what it is. It's very comfortable one. It's very lightweight, so you will be able to easily maneuver wherever you want. The handlebars are it's not quite wide as my KTM, but then again वो काफ़ी wide है तो आपको मतलब वो comfortness मिल जाता है. You don't have to stretch your elbows or anything. So you're absolutely in a comfort position to cruise. This bike, no doubt about it, its capabilities on the off-roads, and people do speak about its off-road capabilities, but in touring, absolutely no, because if you want to tour like 400, 500 kilometers in a day, then you will be stressed out. A couple of observations from my side has been like, I don't know, maybe because of the way it's maintained since it's a rented bike. So जो गेयर इंडिकेटर है बहुत टाइम पे फॉल्स इंडिकेटर दिखाता था. इफ़ यू आर इन 2 और समथिंग इट यूज टू बी 3. एंड देन व्हाट हैपेंस व्हेनेवर यू स्लो डाउन, जब आप स्लो जो हो जाते हो गाड़ी, देन इवन इफ यू आर सपोज यू आर एट द 3rd gear, तो जब आप पुल करते हो गाड़ी, देन इट स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम 1, 2 and 3. दैट्स हाउ इट गोज ऑन. सो आई एम नॉट रियली श्योर वेदर that's how the mechanism has been for the Xpulse, or is it something to fix at the odometer. Secondly, as I mentioned, like anything beyond like 70, 80, the engine feels that stressness. So that's another thing. The clutch is kind of very hard. So we are used to the clutch on the Dominas and the KTM. So might be just a matter of time before you get used to the clutch. But nothing major to complain about it. But I felt it's very hard, especially in the off-road when you're playing with the clutch more. What I really liked, no doubt, hands up, the suspension has been amazing. I was just going through all the patches, the potholes and anything. I'm not bothered to slow down. That's how the suspension is really, it's so great on the Xpulse that you don't feel anything actually. So very well set up suspension on the Xpulse. And then what I felt, अगर आपको off-road जो है करनी है and you are a beginner at it, this is a bike for you. This is absolutely a bike for you to start off. Because even on that particular day when I was doing a bit of tricks with the bike, I was actually learning. I felt like there is so much of you can learn from this bike because it's so lightweight and it gives you that confidence. And another good advantage of having Xpulse is अगर बाइक गिरती भी है, कुछ भी डैमेज होता है, you don't have to put a hole on your pocket. It's that easy maintained. I mean ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं है, ज़्यादा मैकेनिकल कुछ नहीं है, ज़्यादा कुछ पार्ट्स जो एक्सपोज नहीं है, तो कहीं भी गिरते भी हो ज़्यादा डैमेज होगी नहीं बाइक को. So on that front also you don't have to really worry कि बाइक गिर भी जाती है तो भाई कुछ ज़्यादा खर्चा हो ना जाए. But the low end torque is kind of good, and especially जब मैं sand पे एक जगह चला रहा था, I literally asked my brother to leave me. Let's see how the bike really performs. Two factors. One, the low end torque might be really good, और दूसरा पॉइंट होता है कि उसका टायर्स जो है it's kind of a button tires, right, from the C8. So because of the hard nature of the tires, it really actually pulls you and it takes you up. These were bit of the observations and the kind of experience what I had with Xpulse. It's not actually a review of the Xpulse. It's just that I rented it for a day. I just wanted to share my experience of riding this bike. In fact, Sunil ने भी bike चलाया है, so he also almost has the same kind of observations what I have mentioned in this video. तो ये था आज का ये वीडियो, मतलब शॉर्ट वीडियो मैंने बनाया है. I hope कि आपको थोड़ा बहुत insightful रहेगा. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you liked it, or if in case you have any questions, please put it in the comment section. And as always, keep supporting the channel by subscribing if in case you like my content and my efforts. Live life, keep traveling, follow your passion. Signing off, Raj. I'll see you again in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Jai Hind.